Perth, Australia. I'm here now for 2 months. I have 1 year to go. I'm on a work holiday visa, so I need to make this work. And it's been a while. I have a beard now, so it's been a long time since my last video. I'm already 2 months here in Perth, but I'm working now as a door knocker for charity. But I'm not gonna lie, it's going pretty shit, so I probably have to switch it up a bit and start doing something else. Probably gonna find a job in the mining industry just to get some big bucks real quick. One more reason why I want to go into mining is because I can get an extension from there, so I can stay another year in Australia. So basically that. And we're actually going to Kings Park right now. It's a pretty sick place, so let's go there. Everywhere because I still don't have a car. It's pretty hard to get a car here in the city. I like to make a series just to get you guys along with me about my struggles here in Australia, how to make money, stuff like that. I'm thinking about this format as we speak. The only problem is I don't know too much about it, so if you have any suggestions, please drop them down in the comments. I will highly appreciate that. Well, basically that's the video. I hope it was a bit more vibrant by walking around, showing you some places about Perth. It's just basically a quick update about where I'm at and where I'm at and what I'm going to do in the future. So, well, get excited for it because we're gonna get this stuff done. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's free. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't like it. So, thank you guys.
I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah.
I was born in the city. I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though